Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all having a great day. I know my recording is bad, as you can see my CPU, but this is a tutorial on how to use your OBS on NVIDIA control panel. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to head over to NVIDIA control panel. Once you head over there, you'll see this. Once you get over there, you'll start seeing integrated graphics and more. In my other video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do your microphone on OBS. So, as you can see, this is a 1050 Ti. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Manage 3D Settings. I'm going to highlight it right here. Manage 3D Settings. So, once we come here, I have auto select right now. So, you don't want high performance NVIDIA processor to be on. If that's on, your whole thing's just done. And you want to choose integrated graphics or auto select. That will help you record, and then that is how you fix one of your black screens. If that doesn't work, you can try restarting your PC or delete OBS and install it again. This is a very simple thing if you are on an NVIDIA laptop, NVIDIA PC, and that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed the video. Hope you all are having a good day. Goodbye.